Guys, we will start with an example. F of x is equal to x into y. We will construct the Turing machine for multiplication of two integers. So, for multiplication of two integers, f of x is equal to x into y. Now, for example, let us take x is equal to 2 and y equal to 3 we will take here. So, what we will do is, I'll just first explain you the concept. Uh, we will take the Turing machine and x is equal to 2, and here initially I'll take, this is a blank, and for x is equal to 2 I'll take two ones, and the x and y I'll take it is separated with 0 as a separator or a delimiter I'm taking, and y equal to 3 ones, and the remaining we have is blank. But here I'll take one more 0. I'll just say why we are taking one more 0, and here I'll take again all these other blanks what we have in the input tape. Now here we have to do is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3, the final output should be 6. That means in the input tape we have to get 6 consecutive ones we have to get in our input tape. This should be our output. So for that, what we are doing here is, and multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So let us apply the same concept here. X is equal to 2. 2 ones I have taken, and y equal to 3. 3 ones I have taken here, and between these two separators for x and y I am taking 0 as a separator here, and here uh, let us write all 6 consecutive ones we have to get, I said. So all this output we will be writing here, and this we will take it as the output here. So to separate the input and output I am taking one more delimiter here. So that is the reason why I have taken one more 0. So I'll explain you with the transition table. So the graphical notation. So in what is the thing here is, the logic is, if I see the first one, it is multiplication is repeated addition, I said. So nothing but you're adding 3 two times. So when you see the first one, let us make this as a blank, and all these 3 ones for first time 1, let us copy all these 3 ones here. Now for second time 1, let us copy again all the 3 ones here. So it will become 6 ones. For the first one, let us copy these 3 ones here. Again for the second one, once again let us copy all the 3 ones here. So that is the logic we will be doing. Now when you are initially at 1, you are in the state Q naught. So in the state Q naught, if you have 1, let us make it as blank and move right. So this one we are making it as a blank and we are moving right. So after this, we can have any number of ones, you just skip it and move right. Any number of ones, you just skip it and move right. And in this example it is true, but we can have 3 4 anything, right? So first one you're making it as blank, any number of ones, you just skip it. Now after that you are getting 0. So when we get 0, let us just change the transition. 0, nothing I am doing, and again I am moving right. Now this 0, nothing I have done, I am moving right here. Now after moving right, what you have here, you have 1. So I said for the first one, these 3 ones should be copied here. So this one, so what we will do here is, for the first one, this we will take it as Q2. For the first one, let us change it as capital A and move right. That means this one I have to copy it here now. So this one I'm making it as A and I'm moving right. Now this blank should be made it as 1. These 3 ones should be copied here. So now remaining ones, whatever we have, let us just skip it. Remaining ones, whatever we have, just skip it and move right. And after once you have 0, so that 0 also you skip it. This is Q3 state. Now after skipping all this, now what you are getting here, you are getting blank. Now what I said, this one you have to copy it here. So this blank you have to make it as 1 now. So this blank you have to make it as 1. So this blank you are making it as 1, and again you have to repeat this. This one you have copied it here. So again you move left. So this one you have copied it here, and again you are moving left. So when you move left, again all these zeros and ones should be skipped. So I will take this as Q4, and any zeros you have, just go on skipping. Any ones you have, just go on skipping. Now this 0 you are skipping, this one you are skipping, and this one also you are skipping. So when you are going on skipping, again when you are moving left, what you are getting? You are getting A. So when you are getting A, again you have to move right. When you are moving right, again the same process will be repeated. The same process is repeated. So for that reason, I'll take it here. So when you have A, what I said, A, just you move right. So you are not doing anything and you are moving right. So again what is happening? You're coming to the Q2 state. Now this one is again changed to A and you moving right. This 1 and 0 you are skipping, and all these ones and zeros you are skipping, and you're getting this blank. And this blank you're making it as 1, and again you're going on skipping. Now again you're coming here. This one is again right, and all these again you are skipping, and this blank will be, okay, I'll just write here. Again you're making it as 1. So now these three became 1 here. All this you made it as blank. So now here, after making this blank also 1, now what you will do? You are going on skipping. So when you are just going on skipping these ones and these ones, and this 0 also you have skipped. After skipping zeros, now you have A, you're here. Now you have 0 here. But for Q2, you have only the transition is 1. You don't have for 0. So if you see 0 in the Q2 state, if you're seeing 0 in the Q2 state, the meaning is all these ones you have copied here. All these ones you have copied here. So in the Q2 state, if you see 0, in the Q2 state, if you see 0, this 0, 0, you just move left. Now what we do is, all these A's once again we will be convert into ones now. All the A's let us again convert back into ones now. So let us take the new state here, Q5, and all the A's again let us change it as 1, and you just go on moving left. Now this A is 1, this A is 1, and this A is 1. After that, when you are moving left, again you have zeros, and that also you have to skip, because again you have to, first one process is, one iteration is completed. Now we have to come for the second one. That means same process should be repeated now. So this 0 you skip it and move left. Again next what you have, this one also you have, this one also you, and skip it. So when you just go on skipping, what you have here, you have is a blank. So when you have blank, again the same process should be repeated. So here I will take, so when we see the blank, again blank and move right, blank and move right. Again the process is repeating. Now again what you are doing, this one you are making it as a blank and you are moving right. And when you are moving right, all the one you are moving right, and this 0 is skipped. Now if we made it as 1, right? Now this again we have all is 1, so we have changed A to 1. So all these ones you have. Again the same process is repeating. For this one, once again you are copying. Again for this one you are copying. Again this one you are copying. So the same process is once again repeated. So again you will be coming here. So when you are coming, again you are getting to the blank. So when you are getting to the blank right, you are seeing 0. At the Q0 state you are seeing 0. So at the Q0 state, and finally what you have in the table is, you have is blank, blank you have, 0 you have, and all this is also in the second iteration also you are making it as ones, and this you this and remaining you have is a 6 ones here, 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones you have. Now, in our output tape, we should contain only 6 ones and remaining everything should be converted into the blanks now. So, that is the thing. So, when you are coming to the Q naught state and blank blank right, when you are moving right, you are getting 0. So, this should be made it as a blank. All these ones should also be made it as a blank now. So, now we will take one more state here. Let us take it as a Q6 state, and when you are seeing 0, let us make it as blank and move right. Now after this 0, what is happening? This 0 is made as a blank and you are moving right. When we are moving right, again what is happening? We have is all ones you have. So that one also you have to make it as a blank and you have to move right. And after that you have made it as a blank. All this you made it as a blank now. This became blank. All this became blank now. Now you have left over with 0. And finally, this you take it as a Q7 state. Now this 0 also will make it as a blank and we will halt. So this becomes our final state. So your finally all these became blank up to here and you have is the 6 ones you have. So that is our solution.